Frigidaire stove over here. This is a Frigidaire stove. Frigidaire. What I've done already, I've taken the heating element out of this thing. Got it all heat shield and everything out of it. I'm not going to go through all that stuff is sitting down here. But anyway, what I want to go through here is this is the element that came out of it. Okay, you have to unhook these wires and all that stuff. Some have wire nuts on them and whatnot, some crimp together. But, you know, yours might be different. But the whole purpose of this video is to measure the resistance here between my old one and my new one. I got my new one here in this box. This is the old one I took out, so I want to test this thing. I got my meter setting on ohms here, and that's what you want to read it on. And basically what this will tell you if it's open or if it's got high resistance or whatever. So let's see if I can hold this and test this at the same time. So I got my wires here, my two wires. So I'm going to try to test these. Let me see if I can get my phone holder over here. You guys can see this. Excuse me, YouTube people. Okay, see if I can get this in my phone holder. And see if I can. Okay, we got that up there. I want you to see my microwave. You see this? Oops. That's my meter crashing over. Anyway, let's see if I can get my meter back here. So you can see this. Okay. There's my meter. I'm going to touch these wires together. Doesn't make any difference. Oops. Got off my setting there. See what kind of resistance we got here. You got my hand on it. It might have something to do with the two, but let's see. Okay. I don't know what these things are supposed to read. You know, I really don't. This is the first time I've taken one out of this brand of stove, so I don't know what it's actually supposed to read. So, see where it levels out. I'm gonna lay this down here on the counter because it might be picking up something through my body too. So, let's lay it down here. If you can't see that, then you know I am touching the wires together when you see that meter moving there. See where it settles at. It's like it's all over the place. It should settle out somewhere. Now this is the old one. Like I said, I don't know what this thing is supposed to read. It's all over the place. Okay, looks like it's right around. Why is it all over the place like that? 32, 33. I don't know what that thing is doing, but I'm gonna say I'm gonna put it on my new one now and see what that does. As you can see, that's around 35 and 36. You know, so I don't know what this thing is doing, but anyway, it's erratic. So I'm gonna put my new one on there and see if it settles out any better. I don't even know if this thing is bad or not, but all I know is that my oven is not heating up. I do know that. So let's get my new one out here. Let's see if we can get a different reading. Anything different than that there tells me something's wrong. Regardless of what it is, it's something wrong. So let's get the old one out of the way. Throw it back over here somewhere. Here's the new one. I started to go ahead and put this in, but I know you YouTube people, you know, you're always looking for information, so I thought I get a lot of help off of YouTube, so I thought I would do this video and see if it helps somebody out there. And I'm getting my wires untangled. Okay, this is the new one. Now let's see what this. See if this will settle out. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Get these wires. I tell you, it's hard working with. Guess you got some of to hold these things with. Okay. It's on there. As you can see where it's set out right at 93? That tells me there's something wrong with that other one. See? It set us right out there. So now I'm going to go ahead and put it in the stove. But anyway, so if you get one that's acting really weird like that other one, where you got numbers bouncing all over the place and it doesn't settle out, there's a good chance it is bad. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this. Thanks for watching. Average Andy here.